Hello, welcome to the shop. Hello, welcome to the shop. ሰላም፣ እንኳን ወደ ሱቃችን መጣህ። Thank you. Thank you. አመሰግናለሁ። How are you today? How are you today? ዛሬ እንዴት ነህ? I am good, thank you. And you? I am good, thank you. And you? ደህና ነኝ፣ አመሰግናለሁ። አንተስ? I am fine too. I am fine too. እኔም ደህና ነኝ። Can I help you? Can I help you? ልረዳህ እችላለሁ? ምን ላግዝህ? Yes, please. I want a t-shirt. Yes, please. I want a t-shirt. አዎ እባክህ፣ ቲሸርት እፈልጋለሁ። What color do you like? What color do you like? ምን ቀለም ትወዳለህ? I like black and blue. I like black and blue. ጥቁርና ሰማያዊ እወዳለሁ። What size do you wear? What size do you wear? ምን ያክል መጠን ያለው ነው የምትለብሰው? Medium size. Medium size. መካከለኛ መጠን ወይም መካከለኛ ሳይዝ ያለው። Here is a black t-shirt. Here is a black t-shirt. ይሄ ጥቁር ቲሸርት ነው። It looks nice. It looks nice. ቆንጆ ይመስላል። Do you want to try it? Do you want to try it? ትሞክረው ትፈልጋለህ? Yes, where is the fitting room? Yes, where is the fitting room? አዎ፣ መለወጫ ክፍሉ የት ነው? It is over there. It is over there. እዚያ ነው፣ እዛ ነው። It fits well. It fits well. ጥሩ ሆኖ ተመጣጠነልኝ። Great. Great. በጣም ጥሩ። Do you have another color? Do you have another color? ሌላ ቀለም አለ? Yes, we have white and red. Yes, we have white and red. አዎ፣ ነጭና ቀይ ቀለም አለኝ። I want to the blue one. ሰማያዊውን ነው የምፈልገው። How much is it? How much is it? ስንት ነው? It is 800 ብር. It is 800 ብር. 800 ብር ነው። That is expensive. That is expensive. ያ ውድ ነው። We have a discount today. We have a discount today. ዛሬ ቅናሽ አለ። Really? Really? እውነት? Yes, now it is 650 ብር. Yes, now it is 650 ብር. አዎ፣ አሁን 650 ብር ነው። Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? ሌላ ነገር ትፈልጋለህ? Yes, I need shoes too. Yes, I need shoes too. አዎ ጫማ እፈልጋለሁ። What size are your shoes? What size are your shoes? የጫማ ሳይዝ ወይም የጫማ መጠን ስንት ነው? Size 42. Size 42. 42 ቁጥር ነው። These shoes are very popular. These shoes are very popular. እነዚህ ጫማዎች በጣም ተወዳጅና ታዋቂ ናቸው። Do you come here often? Do you come here often? ብዙ ጊዜ ወደዚህ ትመጣለህ? Sometimes. Sometimes. አንዳንድ ጊዜ። Thank you for visiting our shop. Thank you for visiting our shop. ሱቃችን ስለጎበኘህ አመሰግናለሁ። You are welcome. You are welcome. ምንም አይደል። Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? በካርድ መክፈል እችላለሁ? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. አዎ ትችላለህ። Here is my card. Here is my card. ይህ ካርዴ ነው። Thank you. Please enter your password. Thank you. Please enter your password. አመሰግናለሁ። እባክህ ፓስወርድህን አስገባ። Okay. Okay. እሺ። Payment successful. Payment successful. ክፍያው ተሳክቷል፣ ጨርሷል። Here is your bag. Here is your bag. ይህ ያንተ ቦርሳ ነው። Thank you very much. Thank you very much. በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። Have a nice day. Have a nice day. መልካም ቀን ይሆንልህ። You too. Goodbye. ለአንተም ደህና ቆይ።